Hi everyone, welcome to Suf Learning. In this video, we are going to dive into one of the most important concepts in programming, object-oriented programming. This video will give you a solid understanding of OOPS in Python. So let's get started. Object-oriented programming OOPS concept is a programming model based on the concept of object. Object can be seen as real-world entities that have attributes, data, and behaviors like functions and methods. Object-oriented programming helps in organizing complex programs by dividing them into smaller manageable pieces. Well, let's see the key concept of OOPS. Class. A class is a blueprint or a template for creating an object. Think of a class like a blueprint for a house. It defines what a house is like, number of rooms, type of roof, etc. But it's not a house itself. The class definitions begin with the keyword class like this, then followed by the name of the class. Here my class name as car, then put colon, then enter it, and you will get an indentation, a block of code that serves as a body of the class. And methods, function that define behavior of the object. Methods are like the action you can perform with the house, like open door, close the window. These are the things that a house object can do. Then let's create a special method called underscore underscore init underscore, then a set of parentheses, inside it the self parameter. The first is called underscore underscore init underscore, which is a special method. When the class object is called, a new instance of the class is created, and the underscore underscore init underscore method on this new object is immediately executed with all the parameters that are passed to the class object. The purpose of this method is set up a new object using data that have provided. The underscore underscore init underscore is sometimes called the object's constructor. Then the self parameter. In Python, the self identifier places a key role. Self identifies the instance upon which a method is invoked. While writing function in a class, at least one argument has to be passed, that is called self parameter. The self parameter is a reference to the class itself, and it is used to access variables that belongs to the class. Attributes, variables that holds data about the object. Attributes are like the features of a house, color, size, number of rooms. Each house object can have different values for these features. Inside the parameters, let's add two more parameters, say color and model, like this. Then we have to create an attribute self dot then color equal to the color, like this. Then one more time, self dot model equal to model, like this. And what is it? In Python programming, self is a default variable that contains the memory address of the instance of the current class. So self is used to reuse all the instance variable and instance method. So I'm using self.color equal to color, self.model equal to model. Then let's create one more method, def display, then a set of parentheses, and you will get one argument, the self argument. Then inside it print a set of parentheses, inside it the color, the car color, like this. Then put comma, then you have to declare the self dot color attribute, then print statement, then inside it say the car model, like this, space comma, then the self dot model, like this. Then outside of the function to create an object, type C equal to, then you have to call the class name car, then a set of parentheses. Inside it you have to put the argument value. Here my car color is yellow and the car model is say BMW, like this. Then call object c dot then the display method, like this. Then run this and you will get the car color is yellow and the car model is BMW. Say let me create one more object. To do this you have to create d equal to, then call the class name. Then inside it, here my car color is red and the model is say Benz, like this. Then d dot display method, and let me run this and you will get a new car whose color is red and the model is the Benz.